Hi everybody, this is Rob from East West Auto. Today we are doing our first really easy mod on the Toyota Tacoma. Something I think that should have come from the car factory, but didn't. It's a place to store your gas cap. So we'll be using the Meso Customs Gasshole, which is just a place to put the gas cap. Toyota offers no real solution. It's just this cap that can fall and hit your paint and scratch things and be annoying. You can try to put it up here. But what I really like to do is have a place to sit it. So that's what we'll be doing today. All right, so the first step is to take out this, actually you need to stop. This is not a big enough screwdriver. You actually do need a number 3 screwdriver for this install. It's a bit bigger screw. So we remove the factory latch screw. Pretty easy. Now you take the gas hole piece itself. It's got a tab here that you can see that slips behind the metalwork on the door, and then this piece is secured by the screw. Put that back there like that. I'll put the screw in. Hopefully. So now that's secure, not going anywhere. Now, when you go to fill your gas up, you simply put it right in there. No more hitting the paint, no more scratching up the car, just an easy, cheap mod. This Meso Customs piece was really inexpensive. It solved something that I think Toyota should have solved from the factory. I think total cost was around $20 or $25 at the time of this recording. Thanks very much for watching. Look for more videos from us to cover more mods and camping trips and activities with our new truck. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.